Hey there, Makery Maniacs, and welcome back to Makery by Mooney. Okay, it's the moment of truth. I've got this little red maple uh, Comanche platform bow, and I've got the fine-tune tailoring done as much as I can. But it's been like almost 2 months since I've uploaded a bow video, and it's now or never. I'm always afraid when I go to brace a bow, I'm going to break it. That first bracing is always tense with me anyway, because you invest so much time into it, you don't want to see it break. It's now or never, guys. Let's do it together here. This is the way I always brace a bow, or string a bow, however you want to look at that. Put your leg through the string, have the bottom limb up against the front of your right leg, and the top limb up against the belly of it, up against the back of your left thigh. Just go slow and easy. Kind of flex both those limbs evenly, so you're not putting more stress on one than the other. Guess what, guys? My bowyer brothers and sisters, we got to brace the bow. The brace height is not perfect, but it's got an even tiller, and that braided drop line string, which I haven't got a chance to serve yet, put serving on, that'll be a different video, is fitting into those string grooves just beautifully. All right, I wanted to include several different processes on this video. I wanted to weigh the bow, the draw weight. Now I'm not going to put this on the bathroom scale now. I wanted to shoot it, but I think for its inauguration we should at least shoot it. What do you think? All right, let me see if I can get you maniacs to a good view in front of the target. All right, you can see it in a little better light there. Now, my shooting is going to be even less impressive than usual because, hey, I'm always nervous about overdrawing and breaking a bow that's well broke in. But this will be the first time I've ever shot this thing, so I'm going to definitely underdraw more than I usually do, and I'm going to probably not have the greatest performance. But hang in here with me, guys. I want to work the gold girl in slowly, probably get her up on what's called the tailoring tree and work her out before I shoot her too hard. And you'll see what a tailoring tree is if you're not already familiar with that on future videos. My aim is sucking. Let's try to get the other two. Try to get that third one final time. I'm gonna give myself one more chance. All right, I think I put the old girl through enough for now. We're gonna put her up on the wall with the others, and I'll catch you next time.